Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this challenge. So this is the wheel picks like what type of player I'm gonna be on Dress to Impress. So let's spin the wheel. I hope I don't get VIP only because I feel like it's gonna be so hard. Please. Oh, copycat. I have to copy somebody. Okay, let's go. At the beach, let's copy this girl right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, I already lost her. Okay, let's copy this girl. Okay, she's getting a coconut. I'm just trying to be discreet, alright? Like, okay, she's going to VIP. I wonder where she will pick. I don't know which skirt that is. I'm not gonna lie. Like, which one is that? Is it on VIP? Like, I can't seem to find it. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Very interesting choices. Like, I think she used like this or something. I don't know. Where did she go? I feel like she left or something. This looks horrible. Not gonna lie. Like, I'm sorry, girl. Whoever you are that I like copying, this is horrible. Okay, so this is who I copied. Like, not gonna lie, it was very hard because she moved a lot and I wasn't accurate like on the outfit. But like at least I got most of her items except for the like belly button necklace. I don't know. Okay, and this is my outfit. I tried to copy her so much, but it was so hard, alright. But yeah, I'm not gonna get a podium for this. This is horrible. This is absolutely horrible. I don't even like it. Alright, that is it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!